Activating your credit card, the ultimate guide.
Hello, there. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your credit card. Activating your card is an important step in making sure you can begin using your card and avoiding any potential negative consequences like denied transactions or delayed credit availability. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you have all the information you need.
Why do I need to activate my credit card?
The main reason you need to activate your credit card is for security purposes. Banks and credit card companies use activation as a way to verify that the card has been received by the correct person. It's a crucial first step in making sure your card is ready to use, and it helps the card issuer to reduce the risk of fraud.
How do I activate my credit card?
Activating a credit card is generally a straightforward process, and there are multiple ways to do this. Over the phone. Usually, your new credit card will come with a sticker on the front which includes a phone number for activation. Dial this number and follow the automated prompts to activate your card. Make sure you're calling from the phone number associated with your bank account for a smooth process. Online. Many banks and credit card issuers allow online activation. Log in to your online banking account, look for an option to activate a new card, and follow the instructions provided. Mobile app. If your bank has a mobile app, you might also be able to activate your card there. After logging into the app, look for a similar option to activate a new card and follow the prompts. Remember, you will usually need the card details like the card number, expiration date, and the security code, CVV, found on the back of your card, as well as some personal information to verify your identity.
What happens after activating my card?
Once you've successfully activated your card, it's ready to use. You can start making purchases, both online and offline. Be sure to sign the back of your card if it's not already signed. Also, if there was a sticker with the activation instructions on your card, you can remove it now. That wraps up the process of activating your credit card. We hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to understand. Remember, activating your credit card is a crucial step to ensure that your card is ready to use when you need it, and to protect your account from any potential fraud. Happy spending responsibly.